December 5, 2025. I don't want to celebrate Christmas. It is 18 days ago na lang. It was Christmas in 2025. I don't want to celebrate it and this coming Christmas and also New Year. I celebrate it on December 28 at my birthday because last year I did not celebrate to my birthday and also it was birthday at Ate Gigi also. We are together birthday December 28 because it's very sad and my mom is died. It was she's died at September 13 at 3 p.m. Dallas Courage. I really love my mom and miss. A dedicated song, All I Want is Christmas is You, Mom Angie. And sana sa araw ng Pasko, this song, Ans Kasadya, is dedicated for you, Mom Angie. And I don't want to celebrate a Christmas. We eat dinner Christmas and New Year, but sorry God, I don't want to celebrate your birthday this Christmas and New Year because I'm very sad and depressed and frustrated because Ma'am Angie has passed away last September 13 at 3 p.m. Dallas Courage. And now I'm luksa and masyado pa akong nasaktan because it is first time to celebrate a Christmas Day and New Year and my birthday that my Ma'am Angie has already gone. She's from now in heaven and or kabilang buhay. Then I can call her in the last courage to greet her. Happy Ma'am, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. It was sad. That's why magluksa lang ko sa Paskog New Year, guys. Promise, di ko maghikay. Mag-eat ramig dinner. I order steam rice man tulog. Ganon ra, walang food. For dinner, we eat only panihapon ra ba? Ordinary ra nga kaon panihapon ra steam rice sa Christmas and sa New Year kay kuan ra lechon paksyo ra maura or humba maura na jud akong plano sa Christmas sa birthday na ako mag-celebrate pero gamay ra sang celebration di po daghan kay ngano di jud ako makay mag-celebrate pagkog ka ng pag-ayos akong birthday sa Pasko New Year di jud na ako makaya kay di jud na mo may wasan nga namatayan baya ko akong mama Anjing love kay nako really miss her first time pa nga wala na akong mama. So guys, tell me, alam ko marami kong kaibigan dyan na namatayan ng ina this year. You know, this year, 2025, is very sad because I don't imagine that this year is my Mom Angie will pass away and I can see her anymore. I can see her at my second life, at my soul life like that. I really miss my Angie. Miss na miss ko na siya. Kaya hindi ko talaga kaya guys mag-celebrate ngayong Pasko, New Year. Sa birthday ko na lang kasi last year hindi ako nag-celebrate. Kung nag-celebrate pa lang ako last year, hindi sana ako mag-celebrate ngayong this birthday ko. Alam mo guys kasi ang pangit, ang sakit lang. To respect my Ma'am Angie na lang. Alam mo guys, ang sakit, ang pangit kasi tignan mag-celebrate ako ng Pasko, New Year. Pero deep inside my mind and my heart, I was so depressed. I was so lungkot. I was so sad because I feel alone because the love of my mom, I really love my mom 1,000%. But in my dad, I only love him only 10%. Seryo ba dyan no, my dad? You know what? Hindi ako ipokita, hindi ako plastic. Tunay kasi kung nanto hindi ko kaya mag-celebrate talaga guys ngayong Pasko at saka New Year dahil wala yung mama ko. First time kasi, it was first time that my mom will totally wash out, gone to our life, my life. I almost wait my mom almost 40 years. I was 11 when she went to Alaska Courage. My younger sister is 5 years old, Ikris, and my eldest sister is 12 years old, Gigi. We wait her, my mom Angie, for almost 40 years, 36 years like that, to go home her in the Philippines City, but she become a older woman until she will attack her stroke, she will die. That's why guys. So sa mga lahat ng namatayan ng mamagpapa dyan this year, hindi tayo mag-celebrate for respect to our mom and dad. Paskong New Year. Next year na lang, kung buhay pa tayo, okay? Because for me, Christmas is for mom, my mom. What's the purpose of Christmas and New Year? If mom Angie, wala na, patay na siya. She is gone already. Liwat ako sa mama, guys. Come on, religious. I really love my mom Angie. I love you very much, ma'am. How I wish I can hug you in the personal. I can kiss you in the personal. I really miss my mom. I was 1 year old baby until 1 year old until 11 years old. I have mom in the personal. But when I was 12 years old until now, I don't have any mother at all. I really miss my mom. So I dedicate the song sa araw ng Pasko at saka All I Want is Christmas is You. For me, this year, 2020, a very sad day because my mom will pass away September 13 at 3 p.m. The Last Courage. So wala muna Pasko New Year ngayon. Bye guys.